Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for your sand and gravel business. So I have a sand and gravel business, and to promote my business I have created a Facebook page on which I am running an ad campaign. So through that ad campaign I'm getting a lot of leads. Now what I want is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad for my sand and gravel business, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. So for sending the message, I am going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for my objective, I have to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send automated WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for your sand and gravel business. So I have a sand and gravel business, and for the business I have created a Facebook page that is named as Sandcastle Solutions. Now to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now what I want is that all the leads that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads gets an automated WhatsApp message automatically sent to them, so that I don't have to send this message manually to all my leads, and it will save my time and energy. So for doing this automatically, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. So for sending the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API, and automatically whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my sand and gravel business, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my leads. So for using Pabbly Connect, what I have to do is I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for your sand and gravel business. Now I have to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the folders that you have created in your Pabbly Connect account, and in this I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and here I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And here my connection is successful, as I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser. So it has detected that. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So here I have two tabs, page and lead generation form. So first I have to select my page. So for the page, let me take you to my Facebook account. And here I have this page for my sand and gravel business, and it is named as Sandcastle Solutions. So I'm going to use this particular page. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have to select my page. So for selecting the page, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So here I'm going to search for my page, which is Sandcastle Solution. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give a lead generation form. So for the lead generation form, what I have to do is I have to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the lead generation form that is connected with my Facebook page, and I can use any particular lead generation form. But here I'm going to use this all lead gen forms. So I'm going to select that, And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send As to Click button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I have to do is, I have to click on Save and Send As to Click button, and here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I can get this webhook response? For that what I have to do is, I have to create a sample submission, and I'm going to create a sample submission by using Meta for Developer. And you have to make sure that your lead generation form is live before getting the lead details. So for creating a sample submission, let me take you to Meta for Developer. And here I will go to More. And in this I have this option of Tools, so I'm going to open this. And in Tools, I'm going to find this tool which is Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So we are going to use this. So I'm going to open this. And here we have two pages, Page and Form. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to first select my page. So I have to open this tab. And here I will see all the pages that are connected with my Facebook account. Now here I'm going to search for my page, and I'm going to select my page. So this is my page which is Sandcastle Solution. So I'm going to select this, and my lead gen form is already selected. Now what I have to do is, I have to click on preview form button, and after getting the form, I have to fill the dummy details in that form to create a sample submission or to create a new lead. So I'm going to click here on this preview form button. So this is my form, and in this I have these three tabs: full name, email, and the phone number. So I have to fill all these details to create a new lead. So in this, I'm going to fill the details of a lead, and I'm going to fill dummy details. So my full name is going to be demo user. Email will be demouser@pabblytuts.com, and I have to give a random phone number. So here I'm going to give the phone number and also the WhatsApp number of my lead. So this is going to be the phone number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now I have to click on next. I have to click on submit. And here I have successfully created this new lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the name of my lead, which is demo user. Email is demouser@pabblytuts.com, and I have the phone number of my lead. So here what I'm going to do is that I have received this detail of my lead. Now I'm going to use these details, and I'm going to use this phone number to send an automated WhatsApp message automatically to this lead for my Sand and Gravel business. So for that what I have to do is, I have to set up my Actions tab, and here my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API, I have to fill all these details. So I need the token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So how you can find these details? For that what you have to do is, you have to open this hyperlink of learn more. And this will take us to the forum of Pabbly, and in this you will find all the instruction of how you can get all the details to connect Pabbly Connect with WhatsApp Cloud API, and also the details of how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So you can use that. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to take you there, and here I have all these details. So I have the access token, I have the phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here what I have to do is, I have to first refresh this access token. As this is a temporary access token, that's why I have refreshed this, and I'm going to copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that token here in this token tab. Now I need the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So for this, let me take you back to WhatsApp Cloud API, and here this is the phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. And now I'm going to paste my WhatsApp business account ID. So let's go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. And here I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on save, and I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So here first I need a template for sending a WhatsApp message. So how you can get your template, or how you can create a new template? For that you have to go back to WhatsApp Cloud API account, and here in this hyperlink of click here, you have to open this. And this will take us to the WhatsApp manager, where we will have all the message templates that we have created, or we are going to create in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So for creating a new template, you have to click here on this create template button, and you have to customize the message that you want to send to your leads, or any message that you want to send. And after customizing the message, what you have to do is, you have to take the approval from Meta for your template. And after getting the approval, your template is going to look like this. So this is the template that I have already created and took approval for. So I'm going to show you this. So this is my template, and this is going to be the message that I want to send to my lead. Welcome to Sandcastle Solutions. Hey, and I have the variable. So in place of this variable, what is going to happen is that I'm going to give the name of my lead that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads, and every time I'm going to receive a new lead, the name of that lead is going to get replaced here in this place of the variable. And the message continues with, we are thrilled you are interested in our premium sand and gravel products. Whether it's for landscaping or construction, we have got you covered. Need quality materials delivered fast? Look no further. Let's chat about your project needs and get you started. Reply here or call us. So this is going to be the message that I want to send to my lead every time I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad for my sand and gravel business. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the template, what you have to do is you have to open this tab, and in this tab you'll find all the templates that you have created in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to use this template of sand and gravels, and here my language code and template ID is already selected. Now I have these two tabs. So first is of recipient mobile number and second is of body field 1. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the recipient mobile number or mobile number of my lead on which I want to send the WhatsApp message. So I have received this number from my Facebook lead ad lead and I'm going to map that here. So here I have to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the recipient mobile number or the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I have this tab of body field 1. So this is the tab of my variable, and in this I'm going to map the name of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and this is the name of my lead, which is demo user. So I'm going to map this, and here I have mapped all the required details. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this save and send test request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent this particular message automatically to my lead. Now to check this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to WhatsApp, and here on WhatsApp we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to show you this message. And here I have received this new message which says, welcome to Sandcastle Solutions. Hey demo user, so this is the name of my lead, and we are thrilled you are interested in our premium sand and gravel products. Whether it's for landscaping or construction, we have got you covered. Need quality materials delivered fast? Look no further. Let's chat about your project needs and get you started. Reply here or call us. So this was the message that I have in my template in WhatsApp Cloud API, and I have used that template message and I have automatically sent that automated WhatsApp message to my new lead that I have just received from Facebook lead ad for my sand and gravel business. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API is working successfully, and whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad for my sand and gravel business, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead, and I'm going to create a new lead here. So I have to click here on this preview form button, and again I'm going to fill this form. So my full name is going to be test user. Email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give the WhatsApp number of my lead. I'm going to give the same number that I have recently used so that we can receive the message and check whether this is working or not. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit, and I have created this new lead. Now what should happen is that automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent on this particular number from my sand and gravel business. Now to check this, I have to go back to WhatsApp, and here on WhatsApp we can see I have received this new message. So here the name of my lead has been changed, which is test user. So we can see that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically the name of that lead is going to get replaced in the place of the variable, and we are going to send that message automatically to that particular lead. So here the message is, hey test user, we are thrilled you are interested in our premium sand and gravel products. Whether it's for landscaping or construction, we have got you covered. Need quality materials delivered fast? Look no further. Let's chat about your project needs and get you started. Reply here or call us. So here we can see this is the same message that we had in our template in WhatsApp Cloud API, and I have automatically sent that message to my new leads that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads for my sand and gravel business. And here we have successfully created this automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that whenever we are going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads for my sand and gravel business, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.